Hi, today we are going to discuss the third and the fourth activities of activity sheet number 3. Let's have a look at what the activity is about. Alright, in this activity, what you have to do is you have to write the plural form of these given nouns. What do we do to make these nouns plural? Just we have to add s at the end of the word. At the end of the noun, we just add s, right? I think you already know that. Here, we are discussing something new. Have a look at this. Mango, mangoes. What has happened? There, we have added es. Why is that? Alright, we will discuss that. When the noun ends with these letters, s, sh, ch, x, o, there, we have to add es. As you see here, class becomes classes. Brush, brushes. Church, churches. Box, boxes. Mango, mangoes. There we have added es at the end of these nouns to make them plural. Alright, now you have got the idea. Now we will discuss the answers. The first one, a mango, mangoes. A song, songs. A glass, glasses. A book, books. A class, classes. A student, students. A box, boxes. A watch, watches. A brush, brushes. A dog, dogs. Alright, they are the answers. Now let's jump into the fourth activity. Here in this activity, what you have to do is you have to write your own details about yourself. You have to write 10 details of yourselves. Name, age, class, likewise. Actually here I am discussing the details that one of my students had written about himself in my class. Alright? So make sure that you write your own details. මතක තියාගන්න ඔයා ලියන්න ඕනේ ඔයාගේ තොරතුරු කියලා. Now let's discuss the answers one by one. Alright, first one, name. Supun Pereira. Nama, Supun Pereira. You have to write your own name, right? Age, වයස 11, 11. Class, පන්තිය 6. School, අත්තනකඩවල මහාවිද්‍යාලය. පොළොන්නරුව අත්තනකඩවල මහාවිද්‍යාලය. පාසලේ නම. You have to write the name of your school. ඔයාට ලියන්න වෙන්නේ ඔයාගේ පාසලේ නම. නිවැරදි අකුරු ලියනවද කියලා බලන්න. Make sure that you write the correct spellings. Next one, hobby. විනෝදාංශය reading. Village, මඩුදමන. ගම, මඩුදමන. Favorite color, ප්‍රියතම පාට green, කොළ පාට. Favorite food, ice cream. Favorite subject, science, ප්‍රියතම විෂය විද්‍යාව. Ambition, අනාගත බලාපොරොත්තුව, a doctor. Here actually you don't need to write the complete sentence. ඔබ සම්පූර්ණ වාක්‍ය ලිවිය යුතු නැහැ. Only the word is enough. වචනේ පමණක් ප්‍රමාණවත්. Actually now we have come to the end of today's activity. Until we meet next time, bye.